Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Um, Today is Friday. This is supposed to upload on Sunday, but being something we like to make for Easter, I wanted to get this uploaded for y'all before Easter in case you want to make it. And we are making a lemon fluff salad. And it's really delicious, so let's just go ahead and jump right in, guys. All right. I'm going to put in my Cool Whip. And everything you need is in the description, okay? That way you can go back there and then it's so easy. It's basically just mixing it all together and chilling it for a couple of hours. That way all the flavors can come out in it, the pineapple and the flavored marshmallows. So it's important to let it set up, okay? Okay, now to that I'm going to add my yellow lemon jello. Get that mixed in there. Now, if you want to make this where it's really the nice pretty yellow color, it's optional. Go ahead and add this in now. Just a couple of drops or however bright you want it. And we're just going to mix this up. See how pretty that is? And just mix this up until you get that yellow mixed all through there. I may go with one more drop. Just depends, I guess, how bright yours is. I think mine are the gel. It's gel. And as this sits, no, I still want brighter. I'm going for another. Whoop, I dropped 2 in there. That's all right. I went with 4 or 5. And this will get brighter as it sits. Just being sure that's all mixed up, that coloring. Okay. Now I'm going to add in, now if you think, ew, cottage cheese, it goes in there, but you don't even taste it. Trust me, you don't. If you think you don't like it, you're not going to taste it. I'm going to add in my pecans first there. I need this measuring cup. And then there's my cottage cheese. And this just comes together quick, guys, but it's good. And kids won't even know what's in there. My lemon juice. My coconut. And we're using the, so you guys can see here, the colored marshmallows. Okay. And it's such a nice salad to have for Easter. Sprinkle those right in there. And we're just going to give this a good mix. Put some saran wrap over it. Let it hang out. Now, if you can make this the night before, because as it sits, it gets, look at that one big one there. See that, Curtis? A little bit more here. Half a cup more. I like extra marshmallows in it. But this, as it sits, it gets real fluffy. That's why it's called Fluff. Love this stuff. And there's so many different kinds of the fluff salads. But I'll get this all stirred up, guys, and get it bowled up for presentation for you. Okay, guys. I am sorry. I left out the pineapple because I had it sitting over here all by itself and didn't even notice it. But what I did here was, now this is very important, it's crucial. See all that pineapple juice? That came off these crushed pineapples. Just put them in a little strainer, sieve, something, and just press or put a weight on it. And just as you're getting all your other ingredients ready, you can make sure you get all that juice, because you don't want a watery salad. You want a fluffy salad. So that's the natural juices, the can of the crushed pineapples. And this is nice and dried. And I did add a couple of more drops of food coloring for some reason. This just doesn't want to brighten up for me, but I know it's going to brighten up as it sits. So there's the pineapple, guys. Okay, my friends, there's the yummy, yummy, yummy fruit salad. The kids would love these, like the little peeps. This is optional. You don't have to put them on there. And just some lemon there, letting people know it's lemon flavored. It's not very potent. It's just all that fruitiness from the fruity flavors from the marshmallows come out, and then that pineapple and the hint of lemon. It's just really good. And like I said, you think you don't like cottage cheese, you can't really even taste it in there. But I did upload today, so I will not see you Easter, guys. That's why I'm doing it now. That way, if you guys want to try it, there it is. And it's set in the fridge a couple hours. But it becomes nice and fluffy. See that there? See that fluff going on there? And I just love the texture of it. And then those marshmallows and pineapple. Oh, that's good. But I'll be making up another big bowl of this on Easter. I just wanted to share a small batch of this with you guys. Everything you will have is in the description. Everything you will be needing. And I wish all of y'all a very blessed, safe Easter. And you guys take care. Don't forget to make up the salad and let the kids help. See you guys later. Bye-bye.